Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will cover the 200 current affairs of last 9 months, which is very useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Which country developed the air defense system S-400? Correct answer is option A, Russia. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Union Public Service Commission? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option A, Banu Mushtaq. Which state won the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Recently, which city has been declared India's first beggar-free city? Correct answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who became the first CISF officer to summit Mount Everest? Correct answer is option B, Geeta Samota. Which national park has been declared as the 58th Tiger Reserve of India? Correct answer is option B, Madhav National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Who took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Justice B.R. Gavai. Which country became the 10th full member of the BRICS group in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Indonesia. Who has been awarded the 58th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option B, Gulzar and Rambhadracharya. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 151. Which film won the Best Film Award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lapata Ladies. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Which state became the first Indian state to implement a uniform civil code? Correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Bangkok, Thailand. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Where was the Bharat Calling Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai. Which cricket team won the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Who became the India's first woman law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Bongo Sagar naval exercise has been conducted in March 2025 between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Where was the first World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman? Correct answer is option B, Surya Bala. Where is India's first quantum computing village being established? Correct answer is option C, Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 118. Which fintech company became India's first unicorn of 2025? Correct answer is option C, Just Pay. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Which state has topped the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Odisha. What was the motto of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Sankalp se Shikhar tak. What is the name of the military operation launched by India on 7th May 2025 in retaliation for the Pahalgam terror attack? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. What was India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 105th. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital? Correct answer is option B, Samantha Harvey. Which country was added as the 18th member of the United Nations Command? Correct answer is option D, Germany. Where was the 19th Group of 20 Summit 2024 held? Correct answer is option B, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Who won the Kho World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. The 14th edition of Exercise Indra 2025 was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Who has been appointed as the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. What is the theme for International Women's Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Accelerate Action. Which team topped the medals table in 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Services Sports Control Board. Which two Indian player announced retirement from Test cricket in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. What rank did India achieve in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 4th. Who has recently taken charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mayank Sharma. What was the theme of 9th Global Technology Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, Sambhavna. Who became the youngest player to score century in T20 cricket? Correct answer is option D, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Where was Global Investor Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Bhopal. Which cricket team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25? Correct answer is option A, Vidarbh. Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option B, Satish Kumar. Which team won the Women's Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai Indians. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option A, Jayashri Venkateshan. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Which of the following bill has been passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Where was the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Paris, France. Who has been honored with the Sahitya Academy Award 2024 in the Hindi Poetry category? Correct answer is option C, Gagan Gill. Which state became the first to implement semiconductor policy in India? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who was awarded the MS Swaminathan Award 2024 for environmental protection? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Anant Darshan Shankar. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairperson of SEBI? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kant Pandey. Who won the Aditya Birla Memorial Polo Cup 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, Rajnigandha Achievers. Where was the Khelo India Para Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, 96th. Who has been awarded the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option D, Jasprit Bumrah. Where was the maritime exercise Malabar 2024 between Quad countries held? Correct answer is option A, Vishakhapatnam. Which two Indian texts were recently added to the UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? Correct answer is option B, Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. Who has been appointed as Canada's new Liberal Party leader and Prime Minister? Correct answer is option B, Mark Carney. Who was awarded the UNEP's The Champions of the Earth Lifetime Achievement Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Madhav Gadgil. The 12th edition of the India-Kyrgyzstan Joint Special Forces Exercise Khanjar was held in which country? Correct answer is option B, Kyrgyzstan. Which country will host the Quad Leaders Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Who is the 54th recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer is option A, Mithun Chakrabarti. Which two countries conducted the bilateral naval exercise Varun 2025? Correct answer is option B, India and France. Which player won the Indian Open 2025 squash title? Correct answer is option C, Anahat Singh. Which team won their second consecutive Indian Super League Winners' Shield in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Who has been honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dalai Lama. Where did ISRO launch India's first analog space mission? Correct answer is option B, Leh Ladakh. Which country won the SAFF Women's Championship 2024? Correct answer is option B, Bangladesh. Who won the Best Actor award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Karthik Aryan. Where was the Global Bio India 2024 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which Indian state became the first to implement scheduled caste subcategorization? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. What is the official mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gaj Simha. Who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gaba. Who became the first African woman Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations on 1st April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shirley Ayorkor Boshwe. Which film won the Best Picture award at the 97th Academy Awards? Correct answer is option C, Anora. Which team won the Men's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Where was 38th National Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Who took oath as the new Chief Minister of New Delhi in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Who has been crowned Miss World 2024? Correct answer is option B, Kristina Siskova. Where was the 16th BRICS Summit 2024 held? Correct answer is option B, Kazan, Russia. Who won the Best Director award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kiran Rao. Who won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Han Kang. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, Our Power, Our Planet. Where was the Army Commanders Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. What is the new name of Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer is option C, Arjun Lifetime Award. Who won the inaugural Fred Darrington Award for Excellence in Art and Culture for a sand sculpture promoting world peace? Correct answer is option B, Sudarshan Patnaik. Who was honored with Fiji's highest award, the Companion of the Order of Fiji, in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madhusudan Sai. How many player has been honored with the Khelran Award in 2025? Correct answer is option D, 4. Who has been appointed as India's new finance secretary? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Where was the fourth No Money for Terror conference held? Correct answer is option B, Munich, Germany. The 13th edition of the Joint Military Exercise Equivariant 2025 held between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Maldives. How many wetlands were added to the Ramsar site list in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, 4. Who was sworn in as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option A, Kash Patel. What was the theme of India's 76th Republic Day parade in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas. In which city did the 37th Kathak Mahotsav take place in 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which country built the world's first 3D printed train station? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who was honored with the Legends of Endoscopy Award in Tokyo in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. D. Nageshwar Reddy. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. Who was honored with the National Maritime Varun Award during the 62nd National Maritime Day celebrations? Correct answer is option B, Captain Rajesh Unni. Who has been named in Time Magazine's Woman of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Where was the 108 feet tall statue of Nanda Prabhu Kempegowda, known as the Statue of Prosperity, installed? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. Where has Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the setting up of Makhana Board? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. What is the new name of Zomato after its corporate rebranding? Correct answer is option B, Eternal. What is the new name of Fort William? Correct answer is option D, Vijay Durg. Which state has become the first to establish a senior citizens commission? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Who won the Women's Ballon d'Or 2024? Correct answer is option C, Etana Bonmati. Which album won the Grammy Award for Album of the Year in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Cowboy Carter by Beyonce. Which two companies were granted Navratna PSU status by the Indian government on 4th March 2025? Correct answer is option B, IRCTC and IRFC. Who became the first Indian woman to win the National Car Racing Championship? Correct answer is option C, Diana Pundole. Which violinist was honored with the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award? Correct answer is option B, R.K. Shriram Kumar. Who was awarded the Locarno Film Festival Career Award 2024? Correct answer is option B, Shah Rukh Khan. What is the new name of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B, Ahilyanagar. Which Indian airport was awarded the Platinum Honor in the ACI Green Airports Recognition 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Which team won the Women's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024? Correct answer is option A, India. Which Indian university is ranked 38th in the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2025? Correct answer is option B, Indian Institute of Science. Which state government recently launched the Subhadra Yojana scheme? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. Who has been awarded the Rashtriya Tansen Samman for the year 2023? Correct answer is option A, Pandit Swapan Chaudhary. Who was awarded the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option D, Smriti Mandhana. Which country was selected as the host for the 2030 Winter Olympics and Paralympic Games? Correct answer is option C, France. What is the new name of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's flagship jet training aircraft, Hindustan Jet Trainer 36? Correct answer is option B, Yashash. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the fifth time? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Where was the Mahakumbh Mela held in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Prayagraj. India's first digital museum was opened in which state? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which country emerged as the leading source of foreign direct investment into Dubai recently? Correct answer is option D, India. What is India's rank in Knight Frank's The Wealth Report 2025? Correct answer is option C, 4th. Who was named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shreyash Iyer. Where was the inaugural RIANA Middle East Conference held in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Abu Dhabi. Which among the following series won the Best Series award at Filmfare OTT Awards 2024? Correct answer is option C, The Railway Man. Where was the first Bharat Steam Boiler Expo 2024 held? Correct answer is option A, Guwahati, Assam. Where was the first ever lithium mine auction held in India? Correct answer is option D, Korba, Chhattisgarh. Which Indian institute has inaugurated Asia's largest shallow wave basin research facility? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Where was the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir. Who has been recently awarded the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman? Correct answer is option B, Christine Carla Kangalu. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Who has been awarded the Lata Mangeshkar Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Amitabh Bachchan. Who was appointed as India's new ambassador to Israel in January 2025? Correct answer is option D, Jitender Pal Singh. Which bank has launched the first Earn Rupee credit card in collaboration with Rupee? Correct answer is option B, IDFC First Bank. Where was the Nagoba Jatara Tribal Festival 2025 celebrated? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Who became the first Indian lawyer to receive the Medal of Honor from the World Jurist Association at the World Law Congress 2025? Correct answer is option D, Bhuvan Ribhu. Which fintech company recently became the first to launch a beta version of its e-rupee wallet? Correct answer is option C, Cred. Who has been awarded the Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati National Eminence Award 2024 for public leadership? Correct answer is option C, S. Jaishankar. Who has been honored with the Sahitya Academy Award 2024 for Assamese? Correct answer is option A, Samir Tanti. What is the new name of Pune Airport? Correct answer is option B, Jagadguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj International Airport. Who was honored with the Gates Cambridge Impact Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Professor Urbasi Sinha. Where was India's first World Peace Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Gurugram. Which state government inaugurated the Shahid Madho Singh Hath Kharcha scheme? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. Who won the Best FIFA Men's Player Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Vinicius Jr. Where was India's first writers' village inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Who was honored with the Jamsetji Tata Award by the Indian Society for Quality? Correct answer is option B, Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Which foreign civilian honor was conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi by the President of Sri Lanka? Correct answer is option C, Mitra Vibhushan. Which country won the Sultan Ajlan Shah Cup 2024? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Who is the present chairperson of the National Commission for Women? Correct answer is option B, Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar. What is the new name of Kaksar Bridge of Ladakh? Correct answer is option B, Captain Amit Bharadwaj Setu. Who has been appointed as the Chief of the Naval Staff? Correct answer is option D, Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Which film won the National Film Award 2024 for Best Feature Film? Correct answer is option B, Attam. Manu Bhakar has been honored with the Khel Ratna Award for the year 2024. Is related to which sport? Correct answer is option A, shooting. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, Paramesh Shivmani. How many Padma Bhushan has been given in the year 2025? Correct answer is option A, 19. Who became the first person to spend 1000 days in space in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Oleg Kononenko. Which state hosted the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Bihar. Who was honored with the Icon of Excellence Award at the 14th edition of FILA 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jai Shah. What is the new name of Karimganj district of Assam? Correct answer is option C, Shri Bhumi. Who was the first Indian to summit Mount Shishpangama? Correct answer is option C, Arjun Bajpai. Where was India's first open air art wall museum inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Mausam Bhavan, New Delhi. Which film won the Golden Peacock Award for the best film at the 55th International Film Festival of India 2024? Correct answer is option B, Toxic. Who became the fastest batter to reach 14K ODI runs? Correct answer is option B, Virat Kohli. Who won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vishwa Rajakumar. Who translated Banu Mushtaq's short story collection Heart Lamb from Kannada into English? Correct answer is option B, Deepa Bhasti. Which PSU has become the 14th Maharatna company? Correct answer is option A, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. In which state of India is Kharchi Puja celebrated? Correct answer is option D, Tripura. Who were India's flag bearers at the opening ceremony of the Paris 2024 Olympics? Correct answer is option B, Sarat Kamal and PV Sindhu. Which ministry has launched a species specific campaign Shatavari for better health? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Ayush. Which Indian cities became the first to be recognized as accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands? Correct answer is option B, Udaipur and Indore. Where was the first international conference on carbon markets Prakriti 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which country has become the first to criminalize AI generated child sexual abuse material? Correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Bhubaneswar. And the theme was Diaspora's Contribution to a Viksit Bharat. How many medals were won by India at Paralympics 2024? Correct answer is option D, 29. Recently, Ali Ai Ligang Festival celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Where was the India's first green hydrogen hub project launched? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Which six languages will be added to the translation services in the Lok Sabha as announced by Speaker? Correct answer is option A, Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Manipuri, Sanskrit and Urdu. Where was the Alai Balai festival celebrated? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Where was the 10th edition of Raisina Dialogue 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which country has become the 20th non-regional member of the Asian Development Bank? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Which country has unveiled the world's longest expressway tunnel named Tianshan Shangli Tunnel? Correct answer is option B, China. How many sections are there in Income Tax Bill 2025? Correct answer is option B, 536. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Food Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C, Ashutosh Agnihotri. Where was the third edition of SourceX India 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, S. Somnath. Which player won the men's Ballon d'Or for 2024? Correct answer is option C, Rodri. Which team topped the medal table at the Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indian Army. And the last question of today's session is, who became the youngest world chess champion? Correct answer is option A, Gukesh Dommaraju. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you: who became the first CISF officer to summit Mount Everest? And the question number second is, who has been awarded the 58th Gyanpith Award? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.